G'day everyone, my name's Alec. I work at INCYT. We're here at Longerenong College near Horsham, where we have over 250 sensors deployed on a world-leading trial farm. Today I'm going to take you on a little tour. Let's go. First up on the journey, we have our vehicle detection sensor. It's a beam brake. It tracks the number of vehicles that cross that single point. Next, we have a node which is connected to a soil moisture probe. It is a 800mm EnviroPro probe. It's buried 15 metres trenched and gives you a better understanding of soil moisture at a number of different levels. Stop 3 on our tour of the Longerenong Smart Farm. What we are looking at here is our range of water management sensors. We have tank, trough sensors, EC, salinity. What this portfolio of products is designed to do is give farmers greater control over this precious resource. Fourth stop here at Longerenong College. What we're looking at here is our weather station evaluation site, where we have 6 different weather stations on show. What we're trying to do here is work out what subtle differences or variations there are in each of the recordings and the results that these weather stations are sending through. Final stop of the Smart Farm tour. We're here at the most exciting part of the data farm, the control centre. Look who we have here, Brian Matushka, the manager of the Longerenong Smart Farm. Brian, do you mind giving us a quick update on how the Smart Farm's going?
It's been a really good thing to actually add to our curriculum here. Obviously, we're giving them an introduction into digital ag, exposing them to things that they haven't seen before, things that they can take back onto their farms and things like that, but also take out into industry when they leave here. They've got an overview of what's available in terms of IoT devices and digital ag.
Fantastic, and I'm hearing from the local grower network that they're very excited on what's here. Do we have any upcoming events where we're going to showcase the technology?
Yeah, we do. We're going to bring grower groups through and have open days here so that we can expose them also to the technology. A lot of farmers are out there and they're wondering about digital ag and where it has a fit on their farms, and so the idea is to have an open day here, show them what's available, and they can see if it's got a fit on their farm.
Fantastic. Well, thanks so much, Brian, for having us involved in the project. We're greatly appreciative and we're very excited to partner and continue the journey and see how the data farm evolves.